Hello, I'm Pasco Pleasance, Professor of Empirical Legal Studies at UCL and convener of Legal Needs and Legal Assistance, a half module offered as part of the LLM programme. We live in a law-thick world in which almost every aspect of our lives is played out against a complex and extensive legal framework, and yet few people understand or see the law that sits underneath the surface of everyday life, and traditional legal services and structures do not always best provide for those who need help when facing legal issues. Legal Needs and Legal Assistance explores law and dispute resolution from the perspective of those who face legal issues, as well as the nature and composition of legal services and the interface between such services and the public they serve. The course is broad-ranging. It covers the findings of legal needs surveys, exploring who is most likely to experience legal issues and how legal problems tend to cluster with other legal problems and broader social, economic, and health problems. It delves into public legal capability and addresses issues such as why it is that the cattlemen of Shasta County, California, mistakenly believe that in the event of a road collision in open range, the motorist buys the cow, as well as why it is that so many detainees in police stations do not request legal advice. Complementing this, the course also unpicks the structure and demographic patterning of legal services and asks why the legal professions and judiciary do not reflect the broader population. It explores what this means for equality of arms before the law, and it then looks into the relationship between lawyer and client, both in terms of what people want from their lawyers and different forms of relationship between clients and lawyers. And of course, the course looks at structural imbalances within the justice realm. And all this is explored in the context of wider policy and practice contexts, including regulation, the challenge to match legal assistance to legal needs, and directions for reform. As you would expect and hope, the course draws from a broad range of sources and is embedded in the social sciences as much as legal texts. So there are many opportunities to develop research and analytical skills that go beyond the legal, as well as the opportunity to develop policy-relevant communication and writing skills. Teaching for Legal Needs and Legal Assistance takes place over one term, and it is assessed on the basis of a 3,000-word essay, which can be on any topic, provided it links to the broad subject matter of the course. There is no unseen examination. Only your own interests need to lead you. And near the end of term, students have a chance to present work in progress to the class as a whole to enable collegiate and constructive feedback. So I look forward to welcoming you to Legal Needs and Legal Assistance as part of your UCL graduate studies and experience.